It is shocking to know that the Punit Rajkumar, the darling of millions of fans of Kannada film, is no more. It is unexpected, and nobody expected that he will pass away in such a young age. It's a great loss to the Indian film industry and particularly Kannada film industry. I pray that may God rest his soul in peace and give the strength to members of his family to bear this great loss. It's a great loss, unbearable loss for the people of Karnataka in particular and the film industry in general.